Hi, welcome to Champion Trading Corporation. Today we're testing a 40-quart Groen tilting kettle. It's just about boiling. It's about a third full, but we turned it on a few minutes ago and it's already boiling. It's got a dial regulator and 220 volt, 3-phase. It's just wanted to do a little video, show you. And I guess it's got a you can put a mixer up top here as well. Tilting. Performance strong. We like it. Hope you have the application for it. It's on a portable stand, and the tray comes out when you pour. I guess that's factory made portable stand. Look forward to you picking it up, and it's boiling. Excellent. Thanks. Look forward to helping you out. ChampTrading.com. Thanks.